The word we'll be learning in this video is しゃっくり, which you will often hear at the dinner table, after drinking too fast, or when talking about small problems. For example, I have the hiccups. He got the hiccups after drinking too fast. We had a small hiccup in the plan, but everything is fine now. Learn this one quick, and you can both describe the physical symptom and use the word when talking about little setbacks. Let's get started. しゃっくり, しゃっくり. The word しゃっくり means an involuntary spasm of the diaphragm that causes a sudden inhalation and sound and is what we call a hiccup. It can also be used figuratively to mean a small, temporary problem or setback. In everyday use, しゃっくり most often refers to the physical hiccups, and you will hear people say しゃっくりが出る or しゃっくりが止まらない when they cannot stop them. Have hiccups. しゃっくりが出る. しゃっくりが出る. Hiccups won't stop. しゃっくりが止まらない. しゃっくりが止まらない. Hiccups continue, persist. しゃっくりが続く. しゃっくりが続く. Suppress, endure hiccups. しゃっくりを我慢する. しゃっくりを我慢する. The most common synonyms of the しゃっくり is しゃっくり and きつ逆. しゃっくり is a simple colloquial variant used in everyday speech and sounds nearly identical in meaning and tone to しゃっくり. きつ逆 is the more formal or medical term and is used in clinical or written contexts, so it feels more technical than the casual しゃっくり. The most common antonyms of the しゃっくり is 正常な呼吸 and 落ち着いた呼吸. Both refer to regular, uninterrupted breathing and therefore emphasize the absence of the involuntary spasms or audible interruptions that characterize しゃっくり. 正常な呼吸 is a neutral description of normal respiration, while 落ち着いた呼吸 highlights a relaxed, steady